Sugar.
We're going to focus on training for OES things, and the goal here is to give you guys an insight into how to set up a training program in the app.OES Training Academy. Let me share my screen. Okay, so all right. Training is under education. Under education. Then we go to programs. Currently, this is where we are. Human resource management. This is where we are under training. So far, this is where we are. So if I click on allow self-enrollment, it means that you can go to the system yourself and enroll. But if I don't click on this one, when you're trying to enroll for a program, it's going to tell you, put in all your information and we'll get back to you kind of thing, So we just did a training program. Now, I'm going to put it into the system. I need you guys to see how I'll put this thing into the system. So we created a video, right? So let's put that video in there. See all the other videos that we've done in the past couple of days. They're all here. Add video. What do we title what we just did? This video we just created now. What do you think would be the best title for it?
OES Training Academy.
No, the one we just
before.
The one that we talked. What did we talk about? We spoke about what?
Before this one.
Yeah. We spoke about creating email accounts on OESN.
Email account. Okay.
Okay. So simple. Topic is creating email.
Creating email account.
Accounts on OESN. Yeah. Okay. URL. Publish date is today's what? 18th. Now the URL. Now this is where it becomes interesting. I'm gonna come here. This is the Zoom video. Okay, so now I need to go to YouTube. I think I've made it. I need to move all this. I'm using my YouTube account. All these videos need to move to a Tiki and Henry YouTube account. Okay, so I come here and I click on create, upload videos, select files. Come over here, documents, some, this, and this. Okay, create an email account. Okay, so this is the link that we're going to put on. Not make okay. Next, next. Make it public. Don't make it public. People will not be able to access this link. minutes 33 seconds. So we go back to what we're doing. Put a link here. Duration is 10 minutes 33 seconds. That's about 10 minutes is 600 seconds, so 612 seconds. Okay, that's yeah, approximately. And description, same thing. Rating, the email, and accounts, your domain, and accounts in OSC. Okay, so save. So we have this video. It's about creating emails. You want to pick, if you don't put a picture here, you'll see reason what you see how it's going to work. So email account. So I think I will just go to YouTube, Google email account on the for nice picture, images, email, so. Okay, okay, save as interesting. Save from here, and here, okay, this is it. Now we've done this one. Now we have to link it to a course. Training email accounts. It's okay. So what course? I don't think I can training an academy. It's not something that we want to put it here. We saw it public email employee onboarding. No. So we create a new course. Customer onboarding. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. So query is customer onboarding. I will say save. Now this talk has to have just have a topic, and the topic is let's see, create a new topic. Email accounts. Content. This is what we're now put in the video.
Can that read as email account setup?
What do you say?
Can the topic read as email account setup?
Yes, we'll go back to it now and look at it. Okay, so email accounts, okay. Email, you can change it to email email accounts set up. Okay. Yeah. Share. Put a picture here. Okay. So you guys can go to, if you go to app.oyasync.com, you go to HR management, you would see this over there. But yeah, let's look at this from here. See what it looks like. Okay. Employee onboarding. So you can see it here, right? Yeah, you can see it here, right? So you know why we can't see it here. Anyways, I'll tell you why. Because we did not publish it. We did not make it available. So if I go back to course and I see customer onboarding, I come down here. Oh, what do you want to say? We didn't save it. I mean, I can save, you know. Let's see. Okay. Let's compare, make sure everything is saved. Everything is saved. Okay, so we go back here. What's going on? What's going on? Something I'm not doing right. Okay. It's how you figure out what you are doing. Okay, this is the course. Oh, I don't think okay, let's go back to education. Let's go back to the program. What's the program? The program is HR management, right? Human resource management. So we go to the program and see if this human resource management program. Okay, this is the program, employee onboarding. So we don't have the course. Do you get it now?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
So apparently we didn't have the course linked to the program, and that's why we couldn't see it. So I'll save now. So now we now have the course linked to the program. Okay, get it. Click on it. Email account set up. Okay, this picture is not so good. Well, you get the idea now. Okay, from this one, and this is the video that we just made. And let's play. Yeah, don't worry, it's still rendering. It's gonna pick up. Remember it happened the last time? You know, it doesn't have volume now, but I'm very sure, you know, by the time we go back to it, it probably will have the volume. Let me just moving my mouse to see it. You know. Anyways, okay, so you get this part of it now, right? Are you with me?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm following.
What is it?
I said I'm following. Yeah.
We are following. Okay. All right. So now this is the learning management system. And our goal is actually to develop a school, an academy. And this is the back end of everything that is going to go on. This is a proper school. You I can take you to the settings, the education settings, so that you can actually see, where everything starts from. So, current academic year is 2021. Current academic term, we haven't put in all those things yet. So, question is that we're going to sit down, we're going to brainstorm and say, okay, um, enrollment will be coming in different batches, so that by the time we start having 1,000 people applying for an analyst training program, we know we cannot take 1,000 people. We can only take 200 people. So we can actually get these people to, enroll. We only have access to enroll um, for a particular period. Yeah. So then attendance freeze date is, you want a situation where, okay, um, nobody can actually enroll for a program within the particular period. So you freeze those particular dates. Yeah, so this is education setting. Okay, so you have fees. Now we can do it such a way that whenever somebody goes into the system and they want to apply, they want to enroll for a program, you can even charge them fees. You know, then the system goes all the way to even providing assessments. Like assessment reports, final assessment grades, grading different programs. You know, student attendance to check how students are actually attending, schedule courses. So basically, it's training events. So this is a full source system that we haven't even started we haven't even started even touching the surface. So what we're supposed to focus on today was just on how to create course content. As time goes on, we will create we'll go into other parts of it, but primarily training videos and documenting those videos. So also people, there are different parts of OER Sync. It's not just human resource. We have implementation consultants. The implementation team is the one the core team. They're the ones that actually deploy the OS software. One of the things that we're going to be doing is going to make sure that everything that they are doing, there's some kind of documentation of what they know. Say, for instance, somebody goes in to go and help a customer develop its menu, their menu list. We document it. We document it. Now, if you go to Tiki and Henry, uh, let's go to Tiki and Henry, .com. You know, yeah. So you come to this CRM. Oh, just have to write this one. Okay, so I think I need to sign in. Um, mm, okay, see, business requirement documents, Mr. Videos, wants me to sign in. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so let's do this. OS implementation, business requirement documents. Okay, this is just this is an article. This is actually not video. This is an article, then a video. Now this is a video that I just took from the internet. We didn't have to do serious, like a live video that I'm doing now. This is just a regular video that talks about business requirement document. This one is also allowed. Let me play it and see. Okay. I guess the reason why it's not talking here, maybe because I'm actually on No, a Zoom call. So let's look for another one that has a live video. Okay, creating a new customer. Okay, this is a live video. Video is age restricted, only available on YouTube. Watch on YouTube. Okay, so what this means is that I need to go to my YouTube account. There was a mistake. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, creating. Customer. Okay, this is it. Creating the customer details. Settings. Let's see. No. Close. Okay. Okay, age restriction. Okay, so no, it's not this. Okay. No, don't restrict. Okay, save. Change this save. Let's come here. And let's refresh. Let's try it again. Okay, so this is another video about creating customers. Yeah, so by the time we get better and we start making good money and stuff, we'll probably have proper, videos where you have lightning and everything. But in the meantime, we continue to do this, the local way, as long as we can communicate. Yeah, so this is we did a lot of work here. So one of the things that you guys are going to be tasked, in doing is actually moving most of this content, into apps.oyasync.com. So before we even do that, now this one's there might be some areas where we need to tweak a little bit. Like the programs itself, making sure that we come here and we develop it. So we need to rename the programs properly. We need to identify the programs that are going to be used to sell to clients, and how the whole works. So there's a lot of work to be done here. The major thing is actually to get content. Once we're done getting content, the next thing for us to do is to make sure that we have those programs properly, put together. Any questions? Any questions?
No, it's fine from my end.
It's fine from your end.
I can come with questions after I've seen the videos later on, if you don't mind.
Okay. So, all right, that's fine. If you don't have any questions, we're going to go to the next thing. The next thing is actually skills and creating a skill map. So I'm going to stop this video, and I'm going to stop this this meeting, and then I'll send you another URL. Is that okay?
All right.
All
right.
Okay.
Okay.